Good morning and good afternoon, students. This is Mr. Friedman, your math coach. In today's lesson, we are going to be looking at converting between mixed numbers and improper fractions. Before you start today's lesson, please open up the guided notes that are loaded into Google Classroom. If you have a printer, you can print them out. If you do not have a printer, please just copy down the two examples on the guided notes and follow along with me here. In example 1, it says convert the following mixed number into an improper fraction. We call 2 3/4 a mixed number because I have a whole number 2 and a fraction 3/4. When I make this into an improper fraction, I want just a fraction. The first thing that I should know here is my final fraction is still going to be over 4. I have 2 3/4, but I want to make this all just one number over 4. So let's think about this. This whole number 2, 2 wholes. How many fourths are in 2 wholes? Well, to figure that out, I have to multiply that 2 times 4. So we're going to multiply the whole number times the denominator. That would give me 8. So this 2 out front represents 8/4. But then I still have this 3/4, this 3 on top here. So I have to add that back in. Okay, so to find this improper fraction, I have to do 2 times 4, that gives me 8, plus 3 gives me 11. Okay, so 2 3/4 is the same as 11/4. Later on, when we get to multiplying and dividing fractions, we're going to have to be able to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. Let's look now at example 2. Convert the improper fraction to a mixed number. So this is going the opposite way. I have 14/3, and I want to change this instead to a whole number and then a fraction. So here where I multiplied, instead now here I'm going to divide. I have to think about how many times does 3 go into 14. Okay, 3 goes into 14 4 times. And then what's left over? Well, 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so 3 goes in 4 times, and then I have 2 left over. Okay, so 14/3 is the same as 4 2/3. And now you are ready to begin today's lesson.